So our next problem is show how to use the shell method to derive the formula for the volume of a right circular cone with the base radius r and the height h. So we all know naman na ang formula in getting the volume of a right circular cone is volume is equals to 1/3 pi r squared h. So kapag illustrate natin siya, ganito yung kakalabasan niya. Ito yung radius r and this is the height. So we need to prove na ito yung talagang formula niya in finding the volume of a circular cone using the shell method. So let's start. Using the Cartesian plane coordinate, if we draw a line here and we call it line f of x, and kukunin lang natin yung part between 0 and this is r, and we draw a line horizontal and we call it y is equals to h, and the points and the intersection between these two lines is what is our h or height, and yung kukunin lang natin na area is this part. And if we rotate this about the y-axis, ganito yung kakalabasan niya. And yan yung kakalabasan niya. And as we can see, nakabuo tayo ng isang solid na cone. And dahil ang gagamitin natin na technique here is yung shell method, so we have to draw a line here and draw a line here which is parallel to the axis of rotation, and papaikutin lang din natin siya within the y-axis. So pag ganito. Ganito. So sa paggamit ng shell method, kailangan natin makuha yung surface area nito. Dito lang na part. Dito. Since alam naman na natin na ang formula sa pagkuha ng surface area is 2 pi r h, and we need to determine first kung ano yung value ng r. So ang r natin is dito, which is rx. Then we also need to find the value of h, which is the bounded region between this line f of x, within the bounded region with this line y is equals to h, and this line f of x. Since wala pa tayong values nitong f of x natin, we should always put in the consideration that itong intersection ito, which is r h. In order for us to get the slope of this, ang formula ng slope is m is equals to rise over run, which is ang rise is h and our run is dr. Using the y-intercept formula, which is y is equals to mx plus b, substitute lang natin yung m dito, so magiging y is equals to h over r times ax plus yung b natin, which is to 0. So 0. So magiging y is equals to h over r x. Sa paggamit ng shell method, ang pagkuha sa volume is volume equals surface area times the width Pero first, kailangan mo nating makuha yung mga values ng surface area. So, surface area is equal to 2 pi RH equals to 2 pi. Then yung equivalent ng R is yung X. Then in order for us, para makuha yung values ng H, so we need to subtract this line H from this line. So, magiging H minus H over R X. Then, so 2 pi X. Then, nilabas ko yung H. So, maging H 1 minus X over R. So, equals to 2 pi. Since pwede kong ilabas yung H, pwede ko rin ipasok yung X. So, magiging 2 pi H X minus X squared over R. Since nakuha na natin yung values ng ating surface area, isa-substitute na natin siya dun sa mismong formula in getting the volume. So, V is equals to integral of 2 pi H X minus X squared over R. And yung ating width is X, so dx is equals to, copy lang natin 2 pi H, then integrate natin itong part na to. So magiging X squared over 2 minus X cubed over 3R from 0 to R. Ito din pala, from 0 to R. Then next is, substitute lang natin yung values nito. So magiging 2 pi H times R squared over 2 minus R cubed over 3R minus 0 squared over 2 minus 0 cubed over 3R. Since ito is 0 naman na, so cancel na natin siya. Then, 2 pi over H. So, simplify na lang natin to. So, makancel yung R dito, and dito. Bali, magiging R squared over 2 minus R squared over 3. So, pwede pa siyang masimplify. Bali, magiging 2 pi over H times R squared over 6. So, multiply natin, bali magiging 2 over 6 pi R squared H, or simplify pa natin, 1/3 pi R squared H. So, na-prove natin na ang formula in getting the volume of a right circular cone is ito, using shell method.